You can expect a lot from the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.